Ladies and gentlemen, Joshua Salvetti, welcome back to another lesson from the High Performance Trader. And today I want to break down, I really want to flesh out exactly what it is we do every single day over here at the High Performance Trader, right? Not only what I throw up in the Discord, the pre-market plans, the commentary, the call outs, the resources, not all that. I really want to flesh out exactly what the criteria is for me to get in a trade, right? Because it's very simple. A lot of people, they use VIX, they use Bookmap, they have all these different indications up, right? Trying to help them predict price action. No, see me, I identify a couple levels, and whatever happens at these levels, I then take and make decisions with, right? So it's one of those things where it's as complicated as you make it, right? See, our mind, right, is completely entwined with the universe, meaning there is endless amounts of probabilities and scenarios that can happen based on our perception, right? Based on our ability to look at market information, we can come up with billions of different scenarios, right? That's what our mind's meant to do. Now, speaking from a trading perspective, that is not good, right? The more scenarios you see, the more possibilities. That's where fear comes in. That's where doubt comes in. That's where worrisome comes in, and this is where you start to make trading errors. So I've really worked on a strategy and a mentality, right, that really simplifies the process, and not only that, helps us to get in and out of the market with consistency, right? Put on risk with minimal criteria, but at the same time, the most important criteria you need, and that is price action and volume. Right, so we're going to break right into it. The day we're talking about over here is 10/13/2023, which was a beautiful day on the market. We had tons of opportunity, right? So before we go any further, guys, click the links below. If you want to get involved with my team, right, click the links below. We have tons of specials going out right now. We can get you in for a couple days free if you want. Try her out, see how she goes. But most of all, our Discord prides itself on hard work. It prides itself on discipline and not only becoming great traders, but changing your life entirely, right? Because as I grew as a trader, right, I had to change my mind. I had to change my thoughts. I had to change my actions and behaviors and my beliefs entirely. And I think a lot of traders are in that same boat. They think they're just going to be able to come up to the market and everything's going to change one day. They think after 3-4 years they'll become consistent in the market, right? Because that's the lie everyone just tends to believe. But in reality, nothing's going to change until you change, until your perception changes, until your beliefs change, right? Your belief system, so that you can start making different decisions in the market that are going to lead to different results. So if you want to get involved with my team, this team puts in work. This team is actually working on their mind, their body, right? And pushing themselves to become better every single day. Right? So if you want to get involved, smash the links below, send me a message, doesn't matter. And we'll get you involved, right? So today I want to break down exactly how we operate over here on the Discord. So every single morning, you're going to see over here, every morning around 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock, depending on news, I am going to post a bullish and bearish scenario on SPY and QQQ, right? So basically what this is we identify levels of interest, right? Previous day high, previous day low, end of day. In the open, obviously the open comes out at 9:30, so we can't identify that in pre-market, but we identify every other level on the daily time frame, right? Because we're intraday traders. Now, every daily time frame candle has 4 levels. Now, based on the chart patterns, the volume, and the price action within these levels, it's going to help paint us a picture for bullish or bearish scenarios. Now, based on what those scenarios may look like, I then upload them into the pre-market plan along with some commentary, right? And then that helps us understand, hey, if buyers control this level, I'm targeting XYZ. If sellers control this level, I'm targeting XYZ, right? Because at the end of the day, these levels have intense amounts of volume, and whatever happens at these levels is going to paint us a picture of market conditions. See, my message is identify and adapt. Identify and adapt, right? Identify market conditions and adapt to market conditions, right? Identify who's in control and make money off who's in control, right? That is present moment price action. That is keeping you away from predicting. This is going to make you react to current market information. And when you react to current market information and put on risk and accept the risk, you then become consistently profitable, right? So it's extremely good. I love it. It's been working phenomenal. Everyone on the team's killing it. So let's go back to the bullish and bearish scenario, right? So we'll do QQQ over here. Buyers are showing up strong this morning, right? Hold on. I will be watching 37122 today. Once again, if buyers can defend this level, I'm looking for longs targeting first target, previous day high, second target, 3759, third target, 32829, right? So see, and this is what I'm showing here. See over here at 37122, this is an area of interest, area of value, critical level. Why? Because whoever defends this level is going to hold conditions for the day, right? You can see this is shaping up as a bearish head and shoulders. So in a bullish scenario, this level gets defended, boom, price rockets. Now, in a bearish scenario, price rips into this 37122 and rejects, right? First target, end of day. Second target, previous day low. Third target, 36589. See what I'm doing here? I'm picking one level. And whoever defends this level is going to paint bullish or bearish market conditions. And now, based on whatever happens at this level, we are going to put on risk, right? Now, I mean, without going that much further, look at what happened over here on QQQ. We ripped right into this level, right? This 37122 area, right? And rejected heavy, right? So once sellers defended that level, it painted us a beautiful picture to take the market short, right? That is what we're trying to do over here at the High Performance Trader, right? We're trying to understand who's in control of the market. We're trying to trade with the people that control the market, the banks, the super rich, because these people control price action. Now, SPY was a little different, and I want to break down SPY because SPY was challenging, but SPY was the one we traded, and SPY is the one we killed it on. Okay, so SPY, bearish scenario, watching 435 like a hawk today for sellers to validate bearish market conditions. What does that mean, right? That basically means 435 is going to paint me a picture. And if sellers, if there's a bearish chart pattern around 435, right, that's telling me that sellers are in control and I want to trade with them, right? If buyers cannot defend this level and sellers come in strong, I'm looking to play short targeting first target end of day, second target previous day low, right? The lowest price from the previous day, and third target 42691, right? Here's the graphical presentation. Now, where am I getting 435 from? All right, let's break that down. So 435 is a level from yesterday. Right now, of course, there's a couple different levels over here. You could have identified this head and shoulders. You could have identified a bunch of levels, right? But once again, guys, going back to our brain and how we perceive market information, you can identify millions of scenarios here. But the most important is that you just identify one and stick to it, right? Because the more scenarios you have in your brain, the harder it's going to be for you to stick to one scenario, right? And then you're going to get caught up thinking, oh, what if this happens? What if this happens? No, we want to stick to just a couple of scenarios. Keep it as simple as possible. That's why I use levels, right? If this level breaks, then I target this one. If this level holds, then I target this one. And based on the structure of the market, right, we then deem this bearish or bullish and then make decisions based on that, right? Now, let's talk about that. Structure of the market. So if you whip out the 1 hour time frame, you're going to get an overall idea of structure of the market, right? Once again, going back to the head and shoulders here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So as price was ripping up into this level, right, of 436.45, if buyers defended that level, that would have been breaking structure. Notice how structure is nothing other than chart patterns on a larger time frame or a lower time frame. Doesn't even matter. Structure is basically the break and retest all the way to the downside, right? Structure is basically regular price action doing regular things. We have the open over here at 435, right? Buyers tried to defend this. Now, notice here, I didn't go long because we couldn't hold structure. And we were ripping right into that head and shoulders chart pattern. But once we broke structure, let me show you what a break of structure looks like because it's very important. So this right here is bullish structure, right? Where resistance is becoming support, right? So resistance, then price breaks through it, comes down for the retest, goes for it, boom, we break resistance. Okay. So when we break support, it's usually a good idea, or I'm sorry, when we break structure, it's usually a very good indication that price is going to reverse, right? I don't look for indicators. I don't look at anything other than structure because structure is going to help you understand conditions of the market. And as conditions change, right, we then put on trades based on structure to give us low risk, high reward. So let's break it down. So we rip right into 43640, we reverse right, and then structure breaks. Okay. And then price comes up, we make a lower high, and then we start to sell. Now notice the same levels that were defended before are now being defended by sellers, right? Structure. So now we come into the open over here at 435. Now this was our critical level. We were watching like a hawk, right? Now, notice, we're not just going short when we break the level, right? We're not just jumping into the trade. We're being extremely patient. I remember right here, price ripped into 435 and rejected it immediately. I didn't have time to put on the trade. It happened so fast. I literally wrote in the Discord, we do not chase this, right? Watch, I'll show you. Because as we go back to SPY over here, so this is where we post all our call outs and our price action. So let's see here. Let me see if I can find. See, and I update constantly the trade, why I'm staying in, why I'm not. This really helps traders and myself continuously and set the standard, right? Okay, ready? Hold on. So still watching for, ready? Right here. Look it. So I go, looking for a retest at 435 for short play. Happened extremely fast, not chasing. Still watching 435, right? So this is what the market looked like currently. We were still had our eye on 435. Now, why were we watching 435? Because this is bearish structure. Look at break, retest. That's it. The break and the retest. That is structure. That is going to change your life. Okay, so price comes into 435 and rejects. We take the market short. Ready? Battle begins at 10:36 a.m. Short play. Stop above 435.20. Targeting end of day. Right? So this was at 10:36. Boom. Short play. Rips right into end of day and sinks through it. Now, what we're typing here, beautiful entry and rejection off 435. Structure still holding till end of day. Target hit, right? So this was our first target here from 435 all the way down to end of day. This was almost a $1.75 move, and it happened in less than 10 minutes. Still holding. Next target, 43295, right? Now, what's important here is we are doing live commentary of why we're holding, what our next target is, and then we literally sunk right into 43295. Next target, previous day low, looking to add off 433 retest, right? So this is where things get fun because price literally rips right into 433, and then that's where we add. See, the difference over here at High Performance Trader is that we don't just get out of trades. We look to add to trades, right? We believe in the whole we believe in the whole methodology that good trades, trending moves are usually going to last a little bit longer. So we're not just here to take profit super quick. We're here to trade market conditions. We're here to trade structure. And this is why also, like I'm always saying to everybody, structure is going to give you your entries, your stop losses, and your exits, right? Because as you're able to identify structure, right? And I'll just show you what it looks like is the break, the retest, right? Sink, the break, the retest, right? Sinks right into previous day low, profit taken, onto the next. Now, this was a beautiful trade. I get it. You guys would be amazed with how often these market imbalances happen. What's market imbalance? From critical level to critical level, right? So this is what we represent over here at the HPT Discord. This is what we're trying to do every single day. We're trying to push ourselves, right? I wasn't always able to hold trades for, what is this, an hour and a half, right? I wasn't. This takes time, right? This takes understanding, awareness. This takes knowledge, and this takes teamwork. And this is why our team is growing super fast, and people are actually seeing results. This is exactly what you want to be doing as a trader, right? It takes time, but it is possible. It's all about reprogramming your brain, right? So if you want to get involved with our team, be a part of our Discord, learn, right? We have over 15 different mini courses on the Discord, and I'm also coming out with a new mini course called Mindfulness Trading, right? This is going to be all about the brain and the mind and how to reprogram it because it is so vital. Smash the links below, get involved, right? Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more content, right? Because we constantly drop videos every single week, and also we post live webinars and everything that we do, right? So get involved, right? Smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell for the notification. I'll see you in the next lesson.